YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a device or select a device for Smartview on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a device onto Smartview or view your Smartview devices on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for connected devices. And then from there, you want to hit connected devices. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for a setting called Smartview. This is usually under Samsung decks. And then from there, you want to hit Smartview, and then you'll be able to check your Smartview devices. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to check your Smartview devices on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for